I think the type of person that'd be interested in this program would be somebody that wants to work with their hands, but still wants to be able to use some theory and put some knowledge behind what they're actually doing. Because we're no longer grease monkeys in the trade, now you need to understand what you're doing and how things work in order to be able to actually fix vehicles today.
So other areas you can go into besides just being a technician in a garage, you can go into research and development. So you can work in the dynamometer lab. We actually have a dynamometer here that we can do some testing with, so that's a good way to segue into that kind of research and development field. And you can go into engineering from this program. It's better to get the start to segue into engineering with this program, that way you have a better understanding of how vehicles operate and where things are placed before you go into why are they placed there and what parameters you have to put those parts in.
In first year I learned a lot of basics to do brakes and tires, how an engine works, and to take it apart and put it back together. Kind of just little service maintenance and to kind of get your foot in the door to make sure you know what you're doing. And then with second year, we kind of went through more in detail, so we learned more of fuel injection and more through electrical and specific components in the engine compared to just basic components.
We have extremely dedicated teachers. We have teachers that in many cases used to own their own shops, and they have all kind of come together, and they've given us a very unique background to be able to teach you exactly what you need to know. And they've all kind of come together, and we're able to give you a very unique education to what applies to you and what exactly do you want to do with your life.
Don't be afraid to do what you want just because it might be male dominated. Do what makes you happy. You don't have to be put in just one section of your life. You can do anything you want if you put your mind to it.